Hi guys, welcome to Promo's Tasty Kitchen. Today we're gonna make herbal tea or masala tea, which is good for the COVID-19 time when we required good immunity, and this is one good immunity booster. 2 cups of water. So I'm going to take 2 cups of water and put it for the boiling first. I have switched on the gas and put the high flame. Let the water boil for some time. Now let's add all our masalas into it one by one, ensuring that we're not wasting any of the masalas. Let's break our Tulsi leaves into small pieces so that we get a good flavor of it. Now let this water boil for about 10 minutes in the medium flame and keep on stirring it in between, and we can cover it up and boil the water for about 10 to 12 minutes. Now it's been about 10 minutes, water was boiling well. Now our tea is almost all ready. Switch off the gas and filter the tea into the cup. And now you can add, if you want, honey, because taste would be a little bitter. So if people can't take it like that, you can add honey. Honey is also good for our throat and immunity. And enjoy your tea. So please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel.